and welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today we're going to have a quick look at the Mindshift Photocross 10. This is the bag I purchased to go to fiddling with because I needed a rucksack type bag, so I went for a sling type. It's made by Think Tank under their Mindshift brand. It's got sealed zips, a front pocket and a main pocket, and on the side another pocket, and we've got straps for a tripod carrying straps. So let's have a quick look around it. So as you can see, well constructed, waterproof, got a good base and a little flap there to stop dirt getting into that zip there when you put it down. On the back it's got a soft back up against your back when you go it on fitted to yourself. Nice wide straps with lots of adjustment, and the actual pockets themselves got these really nice T-handles for undoing the pockets. And that's the front pocket. Inside the front pocket you get storage, two small storage slots here, key holder, and quite a large opening. Now the only downside I found with this is this part here isn't supported, so if you get a lot in there it actually pushes into the main compartment, and that reduces the size of the main compartment. It would be nice if it was something a bit harder here to keep its shape. Nice zips, and the same on the top, waterproof zips with a handle. Open up the main compartment. On the lid you've got two netted compartments for batteries and such like, and the zips go right across, so you can just use one zip to enter both, or that one to do that one, and bring the other zip on that side. So nice ease of access on there. Have a main compartment, and it does come with these dividers just to divide up the main compartment. So I got my mirrorless Fuji in there with 3 lenses and a small flash, so quite large. On the back you have a pocket for an iPad or a 10-inch laptop, or a 10-inch tablet of some kind, or just paperwork if you like. That velcros down. But as I say, if you've got something in this front pocket, do tend to push that in. That's the only thing I found. So the zips are got these nice toggles on, goes around like that. On the side you've got this pocket which they call is a water bottle pocket, which you can get a water bottle in, or if you want, if you've got a small tripod, you can put the tripod legs in here and put one of these straps across these loops to hold it to the side if you want to. Comes with a rain cover, so if it's really hammering it down you can cover the whole bag up. Nice adjustable on slider on there. I say on the back you get these straps to fit a larger tripod or a gimbal or anything like that, and they are removable hooks just here. What you do is just get in there pull the hook down, push in, it comes off. So if you don't want them, you don't have to have it. And then just hook in and you're home. So I say you can take those off and put them on these hooks here. Now actually using the bag, say it is a sling, so it sits on the back like so, and you easily adjust it with these here for your comfort. And then when you want your equipment, swing it round, zip it, take out your camera or whatever, back up, sling it round. Like that. It does come with another strap. Easy to take off. You get this other strap with a loop on this side. Another one of these catches. Put that into that loop. Like so. Bag back on. Then with this strap, just stops it moving when it's on your bag and you're running. And then when you want to whiz it round, with the strap. Now the only thing I found while using this, when you get it adjusted so it fits nice and comfortable, you whiz it round, find it's very close to your face. There isn't a lot of room. So I ended up dropping it down so it was closer to my waist, and I found it easier. So I ended up always adjusting, because then when I got it on my back I needed it changing to better fit. So if you had some kind of quick release here, that would be ideal, so that you could have it in the right position for when you're actually walking, and quickly loosen it so that when you got it round here it's a bit lower. Otherwise, as I say, you're loosening half to bring it down there. But other than that, no, I found it excellent. And they do a larger version of that. So this is the 10, but they do a 13. We can get a 13-inch laptop in, and obviously more equipment. But no, other than that, I think it's an excellent bag. Great for if you're doing hiking or anything like that. So I had it in the snow, it was minus 31, no problems at all. So that's the Mindshift Photocross 10. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to my channel. If you want to be notified, hit that bell button. Until next time, see you later.